Lifting the fog, unveiling clarity in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, lift the fog. This metaphorical expression is used widely in English, and understanding it can really brighten up your language skills. So, let's clear up any confusion and dive into the world of idiomatic expressions. Lift the fog is an idiomatic expression. In literal terms, fog is a weather condition where everything becomes obscured and visibility is low. Metaphorically, when we say, lift the fog, it means to remove confusion or make something clear and understandable. It's often used when someone gains a sudden understanding of a previously confusing situation. The origin of lift the fog lies in its literal meaning. Just like how sunlight or wind can clear fog in nature, gaining new information or perspective can clear away confusion in our minds. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, such as education, personal understanding, or even in business settings to denote clarity or resolution of a problem. To get a better grasp, let's see some examples. 1. Once I reviewed the notes, it helped lift the fog on the subject. 2. The manager's explanation really lifted the fog on our project goals. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe gaining clarity. There are several expressions similar to lift the fog in English. Phrases like clear the air, shed light on, or make heads or tails of all convey a similar idea of making something less confusing or more understandable. I hope this video lifts the fog on the idiom and helps you use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to our language, making it more vivid and expressive. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find these expressions becoming a clear part of your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!